Thutha wando kuruta maoni matiganite iguru ria Atongoria wa NASA kwa gwikinya igongona riria kwitithio kwa Raila Odinga ta president wa muingi na NASA yugite irio hamwe.
A picture, they say, is worth 1,000 words. And standing here before you is the NASA team, the principles as intact, as solid, as committed, as focused as ever.
Musalia Mudavadi, Moses Wetangula na Kalonzo Musyoka makiuga ni kwaga magire ugitiri muiganu na nikio magire gwikinya Uhuru Park.
We shall not be cowed. We shall not be intimidated. We shall not be divided. We shall not be scattered. And we shall not be defeated.
Muthenya wa keri Kalonzo augire kuri na andu maikirie nguruneti gwake mucii na nginyagia umuthi hari na ihoru kumana na giko kiu. Atongoria ya makiuga kwa gwikinyia kwao matiari na uru na urumwe wao rio haria wari mbere ya gikaro kiu kia Uhuru Park.
As NASA, as you can see us here, we are here as NASA, and the so-called division in NASA, which in the media is an invention of the media.
I want to tell the people who are spending a lot of time, please spend it on something else. And a lot of resources, vilifying us as individuals. The four of us, together with our partners, have all contributed tremendously to the stature of NASA in different ways. And we shall continue to contribute to the well-being and stature of NASA, and by extension to the well-being of Kenyans, so that they are protected, so that their freedoms are protected and guaranteed in accordance with the Constitution, and that includes even the media.
We remain focused, we remain united, because the journey to Canaan is still a valid journey. And so the pretenders after the throne are panicked and they are saying all manner of things. We would have expected IEBC to contradict the results that we gave.
NASA ikirane gukaruta mwerekera uria arumiriri ao mekuoya muthenya wa rucio.